Hello, governments of China and United Arab Emirates. Charles Crawshaw here in beautiful Dubai. I'm Australian and I've been in Dubai for 2 years. Got married in Abu Dhabi a couple of years ago to a beautiful woman called Blessing Joshua, and we now have a baby. So it's so beautiful. We've got a baby, and I'm due to leave Dubai to go to live in Nigeria for a couple of years in Abuja and be with my baby and my beautiful wife. But really, the message here is really to really underline the possibility of world peace on this planet. And look, Xi Jinping, well done. What a beautiful thing to declare the possibility of world peace through the global truce on the 5th of May. So thank you, China. Thank you, Chinese government, for that stand. The new space race as a possibility. I know that China, you guys are standing to have people live on the moon on 2030. Fantastic. And then as for the United Arab Emirates government, wow, well, what a great government you run here. You've been here 2 years and it's safe, it's respectful, and I really enjoyed my stay here. And, from a world peace point of view, United Arab Emirates have been responsible for causing the prisoners of war between Russia and Ukraine, the swaps. So again, that's world peace. So look, I just want to underline and thank you and be grateful for both your countries, taking actions for world peace now as a possibility. So thanks very much indeed. And I just wanted to let you know that I've made a video to honor Mr. Xi Jinping, bit.ly global truce. Look, I just want to say thank you for who you guys are. Thank you for your countries, in terms of your governments and what you're doing in the name of world peace. And from myself, my beautiful wife Blessing, and our little baby Amina and Crawshaw, all year of the rabbits, we say thank you and love your countries for what you're doing in the name of world peace now. Thanks so much. And let's have world peace now moments during the Paris Olympic Games, which starts today. Thank you. Bye-bye.